In this video, I will show how you as the instructor can set up a hypothesis collaborative annotation assignment. So here in modules, I'm going to add a new assignment. And when I go into the assignment and edit it, I am going to go to the option of submission type and choose external tool. So I could search it, or I'll just scroll down for hypothesis. Here it is. And I can choose to either enter a URL or put the PDF on my Google Drive and then enter the URL for that. I'll just try doing a URL directly. Select. And I like to load this tool in a new tab so that you get a bigger screen to work on. That's not required though. So I'm saving it. And I'm going to open in the new tab. Here I have a version of this New York Times article. And to annotate it, I just I highlight something and I choose annotate and I put my comment here. When many people have commented, they will show up here, all of the students' annotations. Everybody will be able to see the annotations and reply to them. For example, this has 3 replies. You can also add images or links to your reply. And as the instructor, when each student has submitted one annotation, then it will show up in SpeedGrader. So for example, Christina did 1 annotation, so I will grade her, and so each student's annotation will show up under their SpeedGrader account.